Welcome back. My name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, in this video today, I want to share with you everything that you need to know about alligator pepper. How you can use it for do as I say. Yes, how you can use alligator pepper for do as I say. If you're the kind of person, anytime you ask somebody for assistance, if you ask somebody for something, the person will not do it for you. Then you need alligator pepper to use for that person to do exactly whatever you tell them to do for you. Okay, this spiritual assignment is very powerful. It's very powerful. Okay, this spiritual assignment is very powerful only if you can do it very, very well. I will share with you everything that you need to know. Alligator pepper is a very powerful spiritual item. It is used for a lot of spiritual work, a lot of things you can use alligator pepper to do. Okay, people that know alligator pepper know how important it is when it comes to spiritual work. Okay, now for you to do this spiritual assignment, you need to get your alligator pepper. Okay, you need to get your alligator pepper, one bunch. Now, another thing that you need to know is to know the name of that person that you are asking something from. You need to know the name of that person. It can be English name, it can be Igbo name. Okay. Now, when you get the name of that person, get the first name of that person. The first name of that person. Now, you need to count the alphabet of that first name. You understand? If the name is Faith, you need to count. You need to count the alphabet of Faith. How many the alphabet is? Now, if you count the name of the person, the alphabet, how many it is? Now you open your alligator pepper and bring out exactly number of the alphabet of that name from the seed of alligator pepper. Okay, you bring it out. This spiritual assignment, you will do it anytime you want to ask that person for something. Okay, now when you bring out that alligator pepper, the exact number of the alphabet of that person, you are going to put it in your palms and call the name of that person 3 times. Okay, after calling the name of that person 3 times, you put that alligator pepper inside your mouth and chew it. As you are chewing it, you say that I'm coming to ask you for something, and when I ask you for this, you will do it for me. This is a spiritual assignment that you can do. Okay, if you really want that person to do exactly anything you want them to do for you. Now, you say that as you are chewing it, you are coming to ask him or her for something, and when they ask for that thing, they will give it to you without argument, without doubt. Okay, now after chewing that alligator pepper, you spit it out. Okay, spit it out. That's all. Okay, spit it out, and that's all. Then if you have your phone, you can call that person. If you want to go to the person's house, you can go to the person's house and ask whatever you want to ask from that person. That person will gladly, with happiness, do it for you. Okay, this is a simple way you can use alligator pepper for do as I say. People that know this secret know it very well. People that know this secret know it very well, that it works perfectly. I'm just revealing to you a powerful secret, but make sure you know the name of that person that you want to ask something from, and get the full alphabet of the first name, okay, of that person, not the second name, not the surname, just the first name of that person. Then use that alligator pepper on the way, and you will see that that person will do exactly whatever you tell them to do for you. Okay, so this is what you can do with alligator pepper for do as I say. If you have any question you want to ask regarding this video, use the comment section. Okay, if you are confused, if you have anything that you want to ask about this video, use the comment section so that I will explain more for you. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.